I have a Heil air conditioner, model CA5536VKD2. The circuit breaker keeps tripping for it and my HVAC guy tells me I have a bad compressor. It is 14 years old. He says it is more economical to replace the entire condenser rather than just the compressor. Is this true? How much should it cost?
Hello. My name is XXXXX Do my best to assist you. Answers are not always one-liners. Please hit the reply button for further assistance. The problem you are going to have with replacing the complete outdoor unit is matching it with your old indoor coil. All new equipment, by federal regulations, must be 13 SEER or higher. Your Heil unit is a 10.5 to 11 SEER condenser. You are going to have issues if you install a new 13 SEER outdoor unit without upgrading your indoor coil to a matched 13 SEER coil. Now, with that said, if you decide to replace the entire outdoor unit and leave the coil as it is, an average price for the 3-ton outdoor unit is about $1,600 to $1,800. Cost to replace just the compressor should be around $1,200. I recommend replacing the indoor coil and outdoor unit together. The cost to do so should run about $3,000, but well worth the investment to have a high-efficiency match system.
What are your thoughts about replacing just the compressor? I would spend $1,200 versus $3,000 for a new condenser and coil.
The only problem with replacing the compressor is you are putting out $1,200 and only get a 1-year warranty on the compressor from the manufacturer. If work is done properly, with new filter dryers installed, system cleaned and evacuated during installation, it should last for some time. It is just a gamble you are taking. Also, if system is 14 years old, it is likely possible to have indoor coil start leaking freon or some other part fail. For example, if fan motor in the outdoor goes bad, that is another $250 to $300. You can end up spending several $100s on the old unit and still have an old unit. The advice about changing the entire outdoor unit was correct until 3 years ago, when federal regulations started requiring all equipment to be 13 SEER or higher. Prior to that, most equipment was about 10 SEER and all could easily be matched. One more thing to consider is all new equipment must use R410A refrigerant versus the old units used R22. The 22 South African rand is being phased out and costs for R22 has tripled in last 6 months and will continue to go higher. So if your old R22 system develops a refrigerant leak, you can expect to pay anywhere from $200 up each time it has to be recharged. I know with economy as it is, this makes it a hard decision, but if any way possible, I would try to replace indoor coil and outdoor unit and get you a 10-year parts warranty on both.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.